So my name's Josie Hardy. I'm working in BBC Audio in Central Square, and I'm doing the Junior Production Coordinator Apprenticeship. So I'm currently 24, so I'm maybe a little bit older than some of the other apprentices, and I went to uni for a little while. Didn't like that. I've had a couple of different jobs. My most recent job was in TechnoQuest, so it's a science museum on Cardiff Bay, so I had a good time there, and I was just looking for something a little bit more career defining almost, and the idea of being in an apprenticeship, especially in the BBC, is so exciting, and I've been looking for an opportunity like this for a little while, so I'm going to grab it by both hands the best that I can. So I've had quite an interest in media and the creative industries for quite a long time. From the age of 13 or 14, I remember making little iMovie videos with my friends, and that was our go-to thing to do. We used to love doing that, and I visited Media City a couple of times when I was 14, 15, and it was really inspiring. We got to see lots of the children's shows. It was really nice to sort of see how those are sort of created, and the interest has always been there in the back of my mind, but I think I convinced myself that I had to do something in science to make it, to find a career, to sort of make it in what I wanted to do. And then I realised I didn't really like science that much, so I was like, I'll come back to media, I'll find something that I want to do, especially in Cardiff where there's so many different opportunities to go at. So that's how I've ended up here basically, and where else to go except the BBC, to start there and give yourself a springboard, you know. So we've been doing lots of shadowing, so it's been nice to meet lots of different members of the different teams within BBC Audio. We've been doing lots of training as well, lots of online training, but also a few of us got to go to Salford to do production coordinator boot camp. So we had an intensive week at Media City where we got to do learn basically every kind of facet of the job. Because I'm in audio, we got to learn about audio, but we also got to learn about TV, so it's nice to see what other opportunities we might get in the future as well. Having these week-long learning blocks I think is going to be really beneficial. We're going to get time away from work to focus on specific learning aspects that we wouldn't necessarily get the chance to or get the time to do at work, and we've got time to spend with the other apprentices and chat about what we've been doing and almost swap notes, so we kind of all understand that what we're all doing and help each other out as well. So I think it'd be a really fun opportunity to spend lots of time with them and learn lots of different things. So I have had more of an interest in the past of in visual media, so I've always had a big interest in YouTube and kind of the sort of critical understanding of TV and stuff like that, and movies. So I think eventually it would be really good to get into TV, and I feel starting in audio, especially as a production coordinator, is a really good place to start because I can learn everything about audio. So then if I go somewhere that's TV, then they just have to teach me the visual part rather than the audio part as well. So I would love to go into TV, maybe into researching, maybe into editing, just something a little bit more, maybe a little bit more editorial, but I think it's really important to be able to learn the sort of admin side, on the production coordinator side, and I am really looking forward to being the person behind the scenes pulling all the strings as a production coordinator. So yeah.